So next, basically, nowadays, like we mostly talk about electrical vehicles, EVs, right? So basic principle of that is like we will have a BLDC, brushless uh, DC motors. So that we have to drive. That we have to drive. But internally, we will have a simple 3.3 volts motors. How we can drive this directly, this BLDC motors? Not only BLDC motors. Nowadays, we talk about high capacity drones or agriculture drones or even unmanned air vehicles. For all this, we have to have a logic to drive high capacity power electric devices. So usually, uh, the interface for driving these things is basically we will have a microcontroller. From the microcontroller, we will have something called relay. Relay is capable of driving. So again, relay is nothing but a simple switch, but it is capable of driving high voltage. And so if I connect 3.38 volt and this high voltage, always there is a possibility that this high voltage can reach this 3.3 volt and digital circuit will be spoiled. So this relay will provide us a good isolation between this microcontroller and your high voltage supply. So then what we do, so high voltage AC or DC source, AC or DC source that we supply to the relay, and relay will be driving this power electronics device. So usually in relays we have two types of relays. One is electromechanical relays and one is solid state relays. So in the electromechanical relays, right, it is usually it is made up of actual mechanical device itself. Okay, in the sense like your coil-based device. So you will have one coil, and you will have actual mechanical switch. Mechanical switch. So over a long-term use, this is a there is a possibility that this mechanical switch during due to wear and tear it may fail. So for that, usually nowadays it comes with uh, what you say uh, solid state devices. So there won't be much wear and tear cases, so that these relays will be safe safe actually. Okay, so uh, all your the electric vehicle equipment will be controlled. Not only electric, any power electrical, like even your washing machine, microwave oven, all these things will be controlled by this relay. And coming to the programming, right? So it is simple LED code what we have seen, LED driving. So it is like high or low. We have to basically drive this. If you drive this high, relay will be on. If you drive this low, relay will be off. So if you want to see the simple program, it is int main. So first you have to set the IO direction. So IO 0 direction. Let me assume you have connected to pin number 1. I'll set it as 1. So then I have to switch it on. IO 0 set equals to 1. So basically it will switch on the relay, and after some time delay, maybe let me say 10 seconds, I will IO CLR equals to 1. So first pin will be clear. So this way we have to write a program for. It's a simple LED blinking only, but the only thing we have relay which will isolate us from the high voltage supply for the EV vehicles or in industrial automation.